Congratulations to Legal Aid Alberta on your 50th anniversary. Thank you for your 5 decades of assisting disadvantaged Albertans who would otherwise not have had the help of a lawyer to guide them through serious legal matters. It's impossible to know how many hundreds of thousands of individuals and families you have helped, but we know with all certainty that Legal Aid Alberta is essential to individuals, families, and communities, and can therefore be seen as an essential public service. The legal system is complex, and when important interests like liberty are at stake and vulnerable people like children are at risk, we must ensure that procedural fairness and substantive justice are the guiding principles. And your work seeks to ensure that this is always so. I know about the personal and professional satisfactions which come from pro bono appearances and legal aid activities. They were some of the most meaningful moments I spent as a barrister, whether I represented interveners before the Supreme Court of Canada or worked on behalf of wrongfully convicted or sought new ways to compensate for the devastating intergenerational harms caused by forced attendance at Indian residential schools. These were all roles that were fostered by a feeling of connection to a bigger cause and the sense that my work aligned with values and principles that were important to me and the legal system. I believed I was engaged in meaningful work and came to understand that legal advocacy is improved and expanded through deep engagement in and with community. And in my 11-odd years as a trial judge in Calgary, I also learned firsthand the real difference legal aid lawyers make. The representation, the information, the calm in the courtroom, and seeing legal aid lawyers come forward to assist those in need brings to my mind that Irish saying that when I think of you and I count my blessings, I count you twice. As lawyers, we're in a uniquely privileged position, and we understand the legal system in ways very few members of the society do. And with that knowledge and position come responsibilities to listen, to assess, to act, and to help, to provide services to those who cannot afford them. So thank you for having dedicated yourself to others and facing some of the big problems of our time: poverty, marginalization, equality, fairness, and access to justice. You have exemplified the best traditions of the bar, and you have protected your clients' interests and told their stories in a powerful way. Legal Aid Alberta has been responsive for 50 years, and your caring competence has been practiced for decades in real time. This type of support is and always has been direly needed. So Legal Aid Alberta demonstrates that law can and does make a difference in the world and to the lives of many. You have made life more livable for those that you have helped, and you have looked outside yourself and beyond your own lives and helped those around you who are experiencing oppression, unfairness, or injustice, and you took principled action. Working on behalf of others and being a part of the community personally is a social good on so many levels. It benefits lawyers because of satisfaction and enjoyment, but it also benefits communities by strengthening public institutions and access to real justice. So carving time out to support causes that are close to your heart helps cultivate what has been called the ABCs of happiness in the legal profession: autonomy, belonging, and competence. So congratulations, Legal Aid, on 50 years and as an essential legal organization for Albertans. And I have great gratitude to each and all of you who have supported this valuable work. Your commitment makes such a significant difference. Thank you.